Let's get this Emirates. Okay, going to come back to that because we've got an 737 coming out with Sun Express in the beautiful livery. And there it is, there it is.
Your attention, please. 0927 Stepford Connect service to Stepford, Victoria has been cancelled. This is due to a member of train crew being unavailable.
Chris Warren, good day to you. Are there any fake flights? Well, could be. Some of them are, some of them are not. BA5 to Tokyo. That must be a freight flight, as I'd imagine. That triple is going to JFK by the looks of it. That must be a US citizen flight. Oh no, she's freight PPE, I think. JFK, I think. Yeah, JFK. She's freight, I think. But we're flying out one to Singapore by the looks of it tomorrow, folks. So keep an eye out for your devices, because our flight's been booked and we're on a Golf Yankee Mike Lima in livery, whatever that is. Beautiful creativity. Where's our Qatari frat friends out there? There's a cop shooting going on at the moment. Shit, sorry.